Welcome back to our channel, everyone. We hope that you guys have been enjoying our videos. Just be sure to keep sending us suggestions on Snapchat. I've gotten a few from you guys and they're really good. Some might get me killed, but I see you guys don't care, so it's okay. I'll do it for you guys. So today it's just gonna be like a little vlog for you guys, like a mini vlog, just to see what you guys think about vlogs. I'm sure you guys don't really care about what we do, but in this vlog I'm gonna try to get Xandon somehow. I don't know yet, but I'll think of some sort of prank I can do to him just to make this vlog a little bit more interesting. Say hey, honey. Come to the mall. This man has to stop and get some candy like he's a child. But for what? Addicted.
We're gonna start. Oh, this is 50 cents, so we're not gonna start with that.
You're a what?
Over here. Make sure nothing is in it. You get that? You gotta mix it up, my friend. You pick this or that.
Juicy. That looks nasty. We'll do these. I think I like these.
Yeah. This is how we stay woke, because she always say I go to sleep.
Wow.
So now you have a nice little mix of candy, and you didn't even have to go to the store. Hey, what's up with you guys? So, we're gonna start today off with a vlog, and me and Noe, we have to run some errands, and we're going to a pumpkin patch. Hopefully, I'm gonna do a prank on Noe, and it's gonna be the me coughing up blood prank. I want to mix it up with the vlogs. Doing pranks every other day, it starts to get where your partner or whoever you're with, they're gonna start noticing that, okay, this is a prank. So it's better to mix it up through vlogs. That way they don't even expect it coming. But you guys stay tuned in and watch how I pull off this coughing up blood prank. I went to go buy these blood, I guess. They're I don't know if you got, yeah, here you go. So yeah, so what I'm supposed to do is, I guess, just have this in my mouth. When I press down on it, I guess fake blood will start running out of my mouth. The object of this prank is to freak Noelle out, to make her think that I need to go to the hospital. You feel me? So we're gonna try to do something, see what goes on.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. We just want to first off welcome all of our brand new subscribers. We love all of you guys.
And yeah, we see that you guys really love the what was that last video that we put up?
My condom prank.
Yeah, they love that one. I see everybody's watching that one.
Because I did better than you.
You didn't though. But nah, I've been feeling strange. My stomach been hurt. I don't know if it's from what I ate or what, but man, I ate something. You feel me? And when I checked the expiration date, that mug said a year old. Yeah, my stomach.
How do you have something that's a year old?
I don't know. I don't check for stuff. I just.
What was it?
I was eating some kind of peanut butter crackers, and man, it kind of messed up my stomach. I feel some kind of way.
But you didn't notice, because usually things like that, they would have been extra hard.
Man, when I eat, I just throw everything in my mouth. I don't really be caring what it is. I don't know. Let's just continue with the day and find out. You feel me?
You're weird.
You think so?
I could never do that. If I know I check the date on all of my food. All of it.
Yeah.
Even if the milk is gonna be bad tomorrow, I'll get a new milk.
I need to start doing the same.
You're strange. I don't understand what's wrong.
Shit, bro.
What?
You just feel some type of way.
How? You're gonna throw up?
Uh-huh.
Okay. It's probably because you ate too much. Ew, are you throwing?
What? What?
Baby, why are you bleeding?
What do you mean? I'm just.
Stanton! Stanton!
What?
Baby, what the hell? Did you bite your tongue or something?
Oh no. Oh no.
Baby, like, what the hell? Stanton. Ew.
Oh man.
Baby, what the hell? Are you sure that's all you ate? Oh my god. Do you want to go to the hospital? Like, you need to.
Huh?
We have to get you to the hospital. Like, Stanton! Come here.
Dang, I'm hot. I'm about to be as hell.
Like, does your stomach hurt?
No, I'm feeling about to.
Baby.
Oh man.
Like, what?
Baby, you know what I need you to do?
Take a breather, baby.
I need you to do something for me.
What?
I need you to do something for me.
What?
Baby,
What?
I don't know how long. I don't know how long I'm gonna get because I just need you to do one more last thing for me.
What?
Because before we go to the hospital, I just need you not to be mad at me because this is a prank. Yeah. Let me get this off. Hold on. I got you. Hold on. Give me a second. Oh man, that shit was nasty. Hey, that shit was nasty. Oh, don't be mad. Oh.
That was a prank?
Mm-hmm.
What the hell? Like, what was that? Wow. Let you get hurt for real? I'm not caring about it.
But no, let me show you what this was. It was these little tablet things over here that I got over here. I went and bought these ones today. So yeah, it was these little tablets right here. I only have 5 left. I had to demonstrate a couple of them to myself. But yeah, I only have 5 left. But I feel like this was a good prank. How do you feel about this, Noe?
Like, I'm never gonna help you again.
Hey.
If something's really wrong with you.
Well, I don't get hurt anyway. So, I just want to say, I believe that, like, this was the best prank ever. I really believe that you thought something was wrong with me and you thought, like, I was about to die.
I mean, yeah, who just coughs up blood like that?
Exactly. Fake blood. But, like I say in every video, if it doesn't look real, it doesn't matter. I never said that in the video, but
You never said that.
I like how I just said that now. Okay, but look, back to the point. You feel me? I just pranked Noe real good. She thought she was about to have to take me to the hospital. I'm perfectly fine. The blood definitely looked real. I think I did an excellent job. But if you guys think that I did good, I need you guys to go hit that thumbs up. Give me a like. If you think I did excellent and I really pranked Noe, go put a Team X in that comment for me. And you know, when I prank Noe, I'm pranking the whole team Noe. You feel me? So I feel like this is not just counted as one win. This is counted as hundreds of wins because you guys are all with Team Noe. So Team X, we just took over again. I believe that this one just put us back in first place. If you guys, like I say, like, you feel me, throw the thumbs up. Make sure you turn your notifications on. And make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Noe, do you have anything that you would like to say? Let Team Noe know that you guys got the prank. And, you feel me, this was the best one yet.
I have nothing to say.
When they have nothing to say, you did a good job. Remember that. So, be sure to tune in to the next video. We love you guys, and we love the support that you guys give us, and we love the the love that you guys have been showing us since we started this YouTube thing. But be sure to watch out for the next prank that I have for you guys.
So, like, as we were, like, finishing up his little prank or whatever, I was, like, standing outside of the car, and we were...
Mad as hell.
I was approached by, I guess, she was a hitchhiker. First, she's like, oh, I like your hair. Like, where do you get it done and stuff? And then, like, I tell her...
She like, let me touch it. She was like,
yeah, then she's like, can I feel it? I was just like, what? I was like, okay. Like, I just let her feel the ponytail, my hair or whatever. And then after that, it was just like awkward. Like, she was just standing there like, yeah, my name is such and such. Like, she kept saying her name.
Hey, look, for the people that don't know about the hair situation, her hair long. She ain't bald headed. I don't know why she do all this wigs and extra hair type shit, but she ain't bald.
Because it gives your hair a breather.
Okay.
Your actual hair.
But I gotta let people know, because some people be acting stupid and they don't be knowing why, you feel me, why black women do the things that they do. They feel like black women are bald or something like that. That's not the case. It's just, you feel me, black women like their hair very healthy. And doing all the extra stuff to your hair, you feel me, it's not healthy getting it flat iron every day, but they still want their hair straight some days, you feel me? So I understand why y'all do it, women. I'm with you, but I'm just telling the people that don't know. Yeah. Because I don't want y'all to think my baby bald, because, hey, we don't do that over here, you feel me? We don't do that.
Okay, but back to the story. So, like, she kept saying, like, what her name was, and I was not going to tell her my name because that's just weird. And she goes to unzip her hoodie, and she's just wearing, like, a freaking sports bra with her stomach just out, and she's, like, grabbing her, I don't want to say her rolls, but she was just grabbing her rolls. What'd you do? Like,
I just walked to the other side just so she could see me, you feel me, and not hurt you.
Yeah, and as she's talking to me, like, I see her looking in the car.
But nah, that lady was a freak. That lady was a freak. She got to telling me how nasty she is, and how, man, she really wanted to take Noe down. She wanted to take Noe down.
Like, she was staring me down even when we were in the back. Like, it was gross. I'm just like,
she was gonna do some strange things to you if I wasn't around. Like, she was gonna have her way with you.
Like, that's scary. Like, I wanted to record it, but it's like she was just so weird. Like, she was very observant. Very.
Let Noe know if y'all would like to see that lady take her down. Put that in the comments.
That was gross. And then she kept saying, like, how pretty I was and stuff. I'm like, oh yeah, you too. But like, she kept saying it.
But she kept saying how thick she was, though.
Yeah, it was just so awkward. I was like, okay, like, all right, nice meeting you. And it's like she really wanted a ride from us. And she even acts like, oh, what are you guys doing tonight? You guys should come to this club. Me and my girls are...
Her boyfriend, yeah, it was her boyfriend. She said she stayed with her boyfriend and they were at the club or something.
Yeah, but she
about
told
getting
us,
drunk in the car and all, man, what?
That was just weird. I've never had that happen. Okay, so that was our vlog for the day for you guys, with his little prank thrown in there. Make sure you like this video and comment Team X down below if you guys thought he did a good job today with his prank. Again, just thank you to all of our new subscribers we gained. We love all of you guys. And yeah, just make sure you stay tuned for our future videos and follow us on our social medias. And we will see you guys in our next video.